Some might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free.
Okay, today we're just doing a short video of our grandchildren, great-grandchildren, opening up their presents that our viewers sent us.
You ready, girl? Get up so you can get your stuff.
No.
All right, Avery. You gonna be a sweet girl?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be sweet.
You gonna be a sweet girl?
Uh-huh.
You got your Santa sweatshirt on?
Uh-huh.
Avery, who's on your sweatshirt?
Me.
Pink.
Pink.
Okay.
Santa.
All right, Addie, listen
Okay,
to Pop.
Addison and Avery, this present here is from Eureka,
From Eureka.
and
I
this
know.
is for both of y'all. You have to share it, okay?
Hey,
I know how to share.
look. What do you think about that?
Can Avery open it?
Yeah.
No, she's my little baby.
What are those, Addie?
I don't know.
What are they?
I know.
They're rings.
Well, that one's a little too big.
Well, you don't know. You can't see it. Those are super cool. You want to open them?
Yeah.
Okay, here, let's open them.
Open. I'm gonna get one first since I'm really big.
You're gonna get one first. Avery, can you tell Eureka thank you?
Thank you.
Hold it so the camera sees
Look.
it.
Let's show everybody. Rings. Those are super cool. It says Pink Sheep Children's Accessories. Addie, you pick one first, okay? Let Addie pick one first, Avery.
I don't know how to get them out.
Just pull it right out. All right, Avery, which one do you like? The flower?
Yeah.
Oh,
That
I love that one on your Addison.
one?
That looks
No.
great.
No.
Which one do you like?
Too
Look at
much
Nana's
on
ring.
That.
That right there?
That is
Okay,
really
just pick
big.
one.
One.
Can you get it? Oh, they fit you good, don't they, Addie?
Some don't.
Some don't. Here, you want to try it on, Avery?
No.
Put it on your finger? Like
Look,
Addie?
like Addie's got her
See,
stuff.
look.
No.
Okay, look. All right, Pop's got more stuff. Avery, we'll put these right here for a little while, okay? Let's
You
see
can
what else
match
Pop
those
has.
up with your church dresses, Addison, and wear them to church.
And this is from the same lady,
Okay.
and she's the lady that she has a horse.
Do you have
Oh,
a pink?
yeah.
Do you have a pink
She has a horse.
dress?
She's
You can
got
wear it to
picture of
church.
the horse the other day.
Look. Hang on, Addie. Let me see them. Let's put these up for a minute, okay? And then we'll see what else.
Oh,
You need to pick one, and you can hold it out, okay? Here, hold one. And we'll let Pop put these on the table for right now,
So
okay?
right now, we'll put them over here.
Look, Avery. You see these socks? They have horses on them.
Addison, look,
You see?
Nana has
Horse.
her
Those are cool, aren't they?
North Pole socks on.
North Pole socks. Okay, let's finish opening our things that Pop and Nana's subscribers sent for you, okay?
Still got some presents, okay, Avery?
Yeah.
Oh, that is so pretty on you.
All right, let's see what you got next.
Okay,
Avery,
Kim,
look.
I hadn't opened this box yet.
Okay, do you
So
have
let
a,
me
yeah.
cut it with the knife right quick so it's open.
I see something. It says Animal World.
This is for both of
Avery,
you.
you drop it.
Okay, it's for Addie and Avery.
I just put it on my hand.
Watch your head, Avery. Pop's got something for you, Avery.
Okay. I'm gonna let me show the camera, and
Okay.
then I'll let you open it out.
Oh, it's heavy.
And who was that from?
That's from the same lady, Eureka.
Also from Eureka. Avery. Oh my goodness. Avery, come look. Look. Oh. What is that, Avery? Can you tell?
Cassie, Cassie.
Look, there's a lot of them in there. There's plenty to share. What is that?
Oh my!
Coda has this. Ow.
Wow, Avery. Look at all those horses.
And Addison loves horses. She
Addie and Avery both do. Ooh, look at that.
yeah,
That
she
one's
rides
pretty.
horses
I don't
for
like horses.
fun.
Those
You don't like horses?
something.
Yes, you do, silly.
I
Horse
don't.
camp.
Yeah,
horse
horses.
Oh, no. Oh,
You want to open it?
no.
No? Okay. Look at the white one, Avery.
Wow.
I think
Whoa.
she has a white one, doesn't she?
Not white.
That's white right there. That's super cool.
I love horses
Avery, can you
myself.
say thank you?
She
Can
said
you
it.
say thank you?
She said
Say
thank you.
Thank you, silly Willy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You'll have to share one of your rings with Mama Cynthia.
You think they're too small for her? Okay, let's finish. We'll see what else Pop has for us,
The
okay?
next present here, now this is from Victoria. Now this one is for Addison. by
Addison.
herself.
All right, Addie. By yourself. This
You'll
one's
have to be
all for
careful now
you.
because the corner's tore right here.
Who's it from? Victoria?
Victoria.
Okay, all for Addie.
That's
I want
it.
Avery.
Oh my goodness.
There was stuff in there.
There is a lot of stuff
Nope,
in there.
okay,
Hang on,
okay.
Avery.
She can share it.
That's for,
baby, if you
this is for Addie, okay? Uh-oh.
Hey, come back here.
Those crayons got loose, didn't they?
want. They got loose during shipping.
Yeah,
Get up.
that's okay.
Get up.
Yeah. Victoria also sent this
Here.
to Avery.
No.
Avery, here's yours, baby. Watch your head. Here, Addie.
Is that mine?
Yes, this is all yours. Here, let's put it on the couch. Help see if Nana can help you put it on the couch.
Okay.
Avery, look, this is your card, honey.
Let Nana help you put
You wanna
your
open it and see what you
crayons
got?
back up.
And these are stickers.
Here's some crayons.
Okay.
Go.
Oh, a lot of books. Learning,
Those look great.
sticker books.
Avery, look. It says, I know what you really want this year. Cold, hard cash. What is it? Oh my goodness. Now, who was that for? I think that was for Avery, wasn't it?
Well,
It says Avery.
Tell Miss Victoria, thank you, Addie. If it's for you. If it's for you. I bet Avery will say, thank you, Avery. Say thank you.
You can have a lot of fun with that at the Dollar Tree.
A whole lot of fun.
yeah.
I'm going to put it in my pocket so we don't lose it, okay? Oh, look at all these books. Paw Patrol. Ooh, look at those stickers.
Oh, I like these stickers too.
Those are cool. All right, Pop, let us clean up a little bit before you bring something else.
Okay, you got
Let me
one
have that
more
crayon. I'm
present.
still collecting.
You got one more present, and it's a big present.
One more present. It's a big one, so let's get
Oh,
cleaned up
look, you
really
got
good.
some pencils.
I seen that.
All right, let's get cleaned up really good so Pop can bring the last big present, okay? Good job, Avery.
Was there
Thank
more
you,
than one
Avery.
crayon box?
There were two of them.
Okay. Now the big box, you want me to bring the big box in here, or separate and bring them one at a time?
Are there two boxes or is it?
It's all in one box.
I guess let's just bring the big box. All right, let's see what we got next. It's our last one. It's a big present, Pop said. What do you think it's going to be, Avery?
No.
Whoa.
That's huge.
That is huge.
That's
I wanna-
Now this present
Alright.
here is from Joyce, and before you can look at the present, you have
Hang on,
to read
hang on.
it. You have to read the card.
Okay, we have to read the card, so we can't open it yet. Addie, go back to where you were, please, okay? Close it back, or Avery will get.
Yes, you can have
All
that.
right, let's read the card, okay?
Avery, listen to your mommy read the card.
Okay. Now, this is from Miss Joyce. And there's her little card, and it says, Bundles of
Thank you.
Joy.
Thank you for your help, Avery.
She, or you might be too close.
Maybe you're that might do it. Bundles of Joy. So, Bundles of Joy.
Let's see it.
Here's a card, okay? And look, she wrote you a poem that's called The Christmas Doll. Okay, and it says, ready? It says, the sleigh ride was long,
Thank
the
you.
wind bitter cold. But Santa had told her,
Look,
now you will never grow old. The child who receives you will be full of joy because to her, listen Addie, you are not just a toy. So the sweet little dolly sat waiting under the tree.
thank you.
She was wishing and hoping her mommy, you,
More.
would be.
Yes, more.
Avery. Avery.
Avery?
I like
And then
how
she wrote a
big
note to
it's
Papa
small.
Nana, and that's from Miss Joyce. Okay? And what do you think might be in there if that poem was called A Christmas Doll?
I don't know.
You don't know? All right. You think we need to see?
Yeah.
Okay. Hang on. Step back just a little bit. Because there's a lot of paper. Let's see. Hang on. Step back. Let's put it right here, maybe.
Thank you, Avery.
Avery, come here, baby. You got a present.
Why don't you let Avery have hers first?
Does she specify which one was which?
I just assumed this is Avery's right
That's what I thought too. Yep.
Yeah.
Avery. Okay, we're gonna let Avery go first, okay?
Avery?
Avery, I got a present for you, baby. Look. Come here.
Get open.
Avery, come look, baby.
Be careful. There we go.
Avery, look. Hang on, this is Avery's. You wanna look in here? Look at this, look. that, Avery? A baby. Look, hold her tight. Look at her, Avery.
She says take this paper out.
Oh, yeah. Here we go. Miss Joyce had her wrapped up. What do you think, Avery?
Then there's something else.
There is something.
Look at her pretty outfit.
Wow,
It's pink.
Avery, look, there's a blanket in here for her.
And I thought it was a pacifier.
Clothes.
Look how pretty her hair is.
Her hair's really pretty. She's
She
really pretty,
makes
baby.
these dolls, doesn't she?
Yeah, she makes them by hand.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
She said that she has sold them all over the world.
I believe it. They're beautiful.
Hold on.
All right, do you want to see what you got, Addie?
Yeah.
Okay.
Avery
You want to grab
loves
Addie's
her.
bag, Pop?
Okay.
Oh, Avery, do you like your baby?
Want it.
She loves it.
Want that
Hold Avery's up to the camera.
Okay, let's show the camera.
baby.
So there's Avery. She said she wants her baby. Oh, she's got a bow too, Avery.
I saw it.
Oh. All right, Addie girl. Want to open it?
Yeah. Baby.
Okay.
Wow.
What's in there?
You check.
You check. It's your present.
What's yours?
Oh, is it mine?
I love your horsey. Your baby can play with it.
Yeah. Me and April can switch it out.
Here, Addie.
Yeah.
Oh, pretty.
wow.
And her hair's the same color as
It
yours.
sure is. Let's take her paper out.
I want to change her dress because it's not really, it's really big.
Is it big? I think it's just the way we're holding her. I think it's perfect fit for her. Here, let's hold her up and show everybody. Ready?
And you wear your hair like that too sometimes.
She does. Addie, isn't that so sweet?
This happened
And your baby's got an outfit too in
Yeah,
there.
it looks like matching pajamas, maybe. Pajamas and a blanket.
She was showing her baby off.
I want to open this.
That is such a pretty baby, isn't it, Addie?
Baby.
Avery, can you tell Miss Joyce thank you?
Oh, how sweet.
Addie, will you please turn around and say thank you one time? Say thank you.
Thank you.
Good job, girl.
Next time not doing this.
Everyone.
Okay, everyone. My great grandchildren, they really enjoyed their gifts, and we really appreciate y'all for your thoughtfulness and kindness to them. And I don't know if you could hear them because their voices are so low, but they did say thank you. And they're very appreciative of them, and they really love their dolls and all their gifts. So thank you so much, and we really appreciate y'all. And today I did start decorating my tree. I have a few ornaments over here,
And look
and
at
I
this
still
one.
got a whole nother box to go. And so I guess Calvin will show me doing that, and I'll
I think we
hang
need
up
to
a
take
few
her
right
shoes
now for
off.
y'all.
I like my baby better than you.
It's off, okay, Avery?
Can you help me put her onesie on?
Yeah, I can help.
This one
I like
right here.
I like my baby. Can you help put her little cute shoes back on?
I think these are like
And
pajamas,
then-
so whenever she has her pajamas on, she probably doesn't need her shoes on, does she?
No.
Put this one over here.
Hang on, I'll help you.
Well, no, we have to leave her dress back on because it's not
So
Oh, okay.
Can put her dress back on.
Please.
I am moving my hand a lot better, and
baby.
we will finish decorating the tree later. All right, that was just a few ornaments that I put on my tree, and I am using my hand now really good. And then we'll show you the finished product.
Is this the one?
It's all decorated. So I guess we're going to end the video now. So y'all do what you love and love what you do, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye, and hopefully a decorated tree.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la 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 la, oh, oh, la 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 la, oh, oh, la 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 la. Making our Christmas memories.
You want to take
I've
that
been
dress
wrapping
off?
presents for
Put on
you.
the other dress.
I've been hanging marbles in the tree.
It's a onesie.
And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning,
Okay, I'll help you go put her on the table.
I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you.